Hi you three, happy Monday. Welcome to our very first interactive maths lesson. Now I thought we're introducing a new topic today, so I thought what better way than to jump online, make you a video and we can work through this together. Now we've looked at measurement a little bit this year, so we looked at length most recently, where we looked at centimetres, metres, kilometres, and we did a really good job at that. So Miss Crabtree and I thought, okay, it's time to challenge them now, teach them something new. So I thought, let's make this video, let's learn about capacity together. And today we're going to have a bit of a capacity hunt around our house and just get to know, because it's our first time looking at this ever. So in capacity, or what the word capacity means, is it's the amount that something can contain. Okay, so if I have a jug, how much can actually fit in that jug? Okay, so we're going to be using different types of terminology. I'm going to learn some different vocabulary. But first things first, as this is interactive, you might need to pause the video at points and go and do little tasks that I set you. So here is your first task. Can you please pause this video, and I'm going to pause it as well, and I want you to go looking around your house for 5 things, 5 different containers that can hold liquid. Okay, so you might bring me a water bottle, you might bring me a juice box, you might bring me some shampoo, some conditioner, some body wash, you might bring me some sauce. Okay, so bring me 5 different containers that you can find around your house that hold things, that hold liquid. Okay, now it doesn't need to be full, just 5 containers that you have that you think we could measure using capacity. Okay, off you go. I'm back. Sorry, I was just running around my house like a mad woman trying to find all my containers that hold liquid. So let's have a look at what I've found. I've got myself some dishwashing liquid, some mayonnaise, some conditioner, some body wash, and some balsamic vinegar. Okay, now what you'll notice about all of these things that I have is, firstly, they're all different sizes, they're all different widths, they are all different things, so they're not all just water, are they? They are all liquid, but they're different types of liquid, okay, and therefore different uses, okay? But the thing that they all have in common is that they can be measured using millilitres or litres, okay? Now, what I want to focus on today is a lot of our household objects, a lot of yours will be similar to mine, in the fact that they will be measured in millilitres. Okay, now we'll have a look at litres a little bit later, but right now we're just going to be focusing on millilitres. Okay, now I want you to pick up one of your items, and I want you just to have a look. So say, for example, if I'm looking at my conditioner, if I turn it to the back, I'll bring it nice and close for you, you'll be able to see exactly how much this container can hold. So I can see that in my conditioner, there are 400 millilitres of product in this bottle. Okay, so this bottle can hold 400 millilitres. Okay, now here's for your next task. What I would like you to do is have a look at each of your five items, and can you write down on a piece of paper what the item is and how many millilitres or litres, if you have something bigger, how many millilitres or litres that container can carry. What is the capacity of that container? Okay, so I'm going to give you a few minutes now. Well, you can pause the video and take as long as you want. But when you restart the video, I would like you to have all of those done for me. Okay? Have fun! Okay, we're back, and at the moment, so we should have on our little piece of paper or our tablet or whatever it is that you're recording your answers on, you should have your 5 items, your 5 liquid items, and the capacity of them all written down, yeah? So if we have a look back to mine, we can see that my dishwashing liquid, okay, was 1,000 millilitres. My mayonnaise was 430 millilitres. My balsamic vinegar was 250 millilitres. My conditioner was 400 millilitres. And my body wash was 450 millilitres. Okay, now if I lay all these items out in a row for you, okay, we can see that, well, these ones here, they all kind of look the same, don't they? But this one, my dishwashing liquid, it looks significantly bigger, doesn't it? Okay, it's taller, it's wider, so that must mean that it can hold more liquid. Now, if I have a look back at my board, I can see that my dishwashing liquid is 1,000 millilitres. Okay, now the important thing to remember when we're looking at capacity is that 1,000 millilitres is the same as 1 litre. So we measure bigger things and bigger quantities in litres, okay? So say, for example, if I'm going to measure the amount of water in my bath, okay? I'm going to fill the bath and I'm going to see how much water is in it. The capacity of the bath will probably most likely, well, it will be measured in litres, okay? Because bigger amounts of water can fit in the bath. If I'm measuring the water that I drink from my drink bottle, well, that's not going to be measured in, it's most likely not going to be measured in litres. It might be measured in millilitres because it's a smaller amount of space, okay? So as we see, when I lined up my items there, the bigger bottle holds the more amount, okay? So 1 litre is the same as what is in this dishwashing liquid, okay? So me holding this, I'm currently holding 1 litre worth of liquid, okay? Now that we've worked that out, we've seen that the bigger the bottle and the wider the bottle means more means more liquid. Sorry, we silly can't get it out today. Your next task, okay? So we're going to pause this video here, and you're on your next mission. Can you please order your five objects? Can you please order them in order from smallest to largest, okay? So if you have something, let's do mine together actually. So if I have a look here, I'm going to spot what is my smallest amount. I can see if I'm looking in my hundreds column, I can see 2 there, okay? That must be my smallest, so I'm going to put that as number 1. Let's have a look. Looking in my column again, I already know that this is going to be the biggest because it's in litres, so I'm going to automatically put that as number 5. So after 250, we'll go conditioner because it's 400 exactly, okay? The next biggest, what's bigger, 50 or 30? 30 is lower, so we're going to put 30 as 3, and then 4 is my 450 ml body wash, okay? So your job right now is to go and order your items from smallest to biggest, okay? Off you go, I'll see you soon. Okay, welcome back for the last time. So, now in your books, you should have your 5 objects in order from smallest to biggest, okay, of how much they can carry, what their capacity is. And in a moment, on the next little slide, we're going to have a few questions that I would like you to answer. But just before we say goodbye, I just wanted to reiterate the fact that capacity is the amount of liquid that something can hold, okay? So we're focusing just on liquid, okay? And it's really important to remember that millilitres are recorded as ml, so that is our abbreviation, ml, and litres are recorded as L, okay? So litres are bigger, so we measure smaller things using millilitres, and we know that when we reach 1,000 millilitres, we then turn it into litres, okay? So I want you to think of it a little bit like when we measure length, okay? How we say 100 centimetres is 1 metre. Well, in capacity, we say 1,000 millilitres is 1 litre, okay? Now, we're going to be learning a lot more about this week, okay? So this is just a little bit of was a fun little activity just to introduce it to us and get us thinking in this area. And then tomorrow and the day after and the day after that and the day after that, we'll keep digging deeper and deeper into it, and we'll start measuring things ourselves and having lots of fun with this topic. Okay, so thank you for watching. I hope you had fun, and if you could just answer the questions on the next little bit of this video and then submit those answers to your teacher. Thank you. Have a good day.